Eyowa, 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 Eyowa.
Écoute, Vassa.
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 La fa.
Vassa.
La fa.
Vassa.
La fa.
Vassa.
La fa.
Vassa.
La 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 zim.
La 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 la. La 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 zim.
La 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 zim.
La 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 la. La 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 zim.
La 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 zim.
La 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 la. La 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 zim.
La 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 zim.
La 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 la. La 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 zim.
La 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 zim.
La 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 la. La 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 zim.
La 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 zim.
La 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 la. La 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 zim.
La 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 zim.
La 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 la. La 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 zim. La 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 la. La 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 zim. La 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 la. La 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 zim. La 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 la. La 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 zim.
La 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 zim.
La 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 la. La 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 zim.
La 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 zim.
La 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 la. La 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 zim.
La 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 zim.
La 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 la. La 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 zim.
La 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 zim.
La 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 la. La 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 zim.
La 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 la.
La 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 la. La 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 zim. La 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 la. La 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 zim. La 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 la. La 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 zim.
La 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 zim.
La 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 la. La 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 zim.
La 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 la.
La 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 la. La 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 zim.
La 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 zim.
La 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 la. La 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 zim.
La 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 zim.
La 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 la. La 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 zim.
La 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 zim.
La 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 la. La 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 zim.
La 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 zim.
La 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 la. La 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 zim.
When you commune with the people that reincarnate you, you find total protection. Deep down the sea, peace is taking place.
ese, 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 ese.
Nneje na nke Maazị Okafọ kịta nru ebu ọfa mụọ ma oru afọ iri fa mụrụ m nyabarụ nwụọ nachita azụ n'ebe. Nna ga na nke Maazị Okoro nru ebe a amụọ m mbọsị a mụrụ m ka m ga-anwụ nnachitekwa azụ n'ebe. Tata anyị na-eje na nke Maazị Ndoka nne mmụọ anyị na-afọ 9 anyị nwụọ nachitekwa azụ.
History is about to repeat itself. Obiago! Obiago! Hey! Obiago, it's the baby! The baby is coming! Ow! My waist! Obiago! Oh! Ow! Ooh.
Meme, memeja, 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 meme, memeja.
The Mother Earth has separated her will from her people.
According to the mark of the living, you shall be on mark in the midst of the young generation, for your journey just began.
But why we will be unpleased in the midst of the young generation? Because Ogbanje does not die or silence.
Our sisters will not return to this kingdom soon, but they will make impacts in their kingdom.
2 of you shall protect the new generation,
where she will be highly respected by the 2 of you.
We will always stand by you anytime you need us. Do not be afraid. Meme,
memeja, meme, memeja, meme, memeja, meme, memeja, meme, memeja, meme, memeja, meme, memeja, meme, memeja, meme, memeja, meme, memeja, meme, memeja.
Olimili na-ekwasị ekubalo mgbịlịgba na nwa mmụọ na-agba egwu gị osepụlụ ụwa n'ụlọ n'ọnụ na nwa mmụọ na-ebi
Child of vengeance, the moon draws near, and the land shall bleed as it once did.
Their joy shall become ashes in their mouth, for cause of oath still lives.
Speak the word, daughter of Ifediche, and the river shall rise against them.
The wind listens to you. Trees remember you. It is your time, Kainene.
They rejoice in ignorance, but the spirits have counted their days. Let their hearts know what fears feels like.
Kainene, my daughter, to whom do you speak with such weight in your tongue?
Your ears are not meant for such words. Father, leave me alone.
Gods of our land, what is happening to my daughter? She does not play with other children. She speaks to the air. Sometimes I hear her laughing when no one is near. Fidije, what kind of a child have we brought into this world?
I ask myself that question every night. But no answer comes. She is flesh of my flesh, yet I do not know her spirit.
Whenever I look into her eyes, I see things that I cannot name. She speaks with boldness, like a priestess, yet no shrine has called her. Fediche, I fear my own child. I fear my daughter.
I carried her in my womb. I bled for her. But even in that moment, I saw things that no mother should see. Her birth was not of this world alone.
Is she possessed? Touched by the spirit, or is she a punishment?
How can I give answers to something I know nothing about? Who do we run to for help when we do not even know the cause of our problems? Who will help us when we do not even know what we're suffering from?
O spirit of forgotten wrath, O wind that slept beneath cursed stones, awaken! Awaken!
Break the seal, bend the moon, tear the peace. Let darkness bloom, earth shall groan, river shall rise, and the blood of the king shall pay the price.
They shall drink from the cup of sorrow. This land will remember me.
The veil is torn,
The dead is listening.
the kingdom shall rot from within.
Somuna kwa oni benwa
Owens! Ah, my waist! Owens! Ah!
Even the earth no longer obeys you, Father.
Ah! Ah! My waist! My waist!
What is wrong with you, Kainene? Your father is hot and you stand there like a market clown. Can't you say sorry? Is that how I raised you?
Why should I say sorry? Sorry is meant for the weak. And I am not the weak.
You sound like a mean spirit.
Ah! My waist.
Ah! How can I help you? Chinwayo.
Ah! Waist.
You! Is that how your mother taught you to pass without greeting?
But you're not an elder, so why should I greet you?
And you open your mouth like one who has no fear. Let your breath return to the dust where it came from.
My daughter! My daughter! Hey! Chima! My daughter is dead! Oh! My only daughter is dead! Oh! Chima! Who did this to me? Somebody help me! Somebody help me! My only daughter is dead! Who did this to me? My pot of soup. Kainene! Ewo. Kainene! 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 Where's my pot of soup? Who took my pot of soup from the fire?
Is it not just food? Let the wind eat it if it pleases.
Are you mad? In Apwala.
Mother, remember the shout you're shouting is for the weak, and I am not weak.
You're not eating your cola. Odadikwa. Uju. My soul is dried. I cannot sleep knowing that the fire that has been set upon my heart has refused to quench. Chukwaju. Is it Kainene?
I Earlier today, my pot of soup vanished. There was no single soul around. There was nobody in sight.
Isimu vanished?
Yes.
How can?
When I asked her, she looked right into my eyes. And then I knew that she was not alone.
Yeah. You know, women complain about that child. Children avoid her part. There's something about that child. There's something.
Her father thinks she is strong. But I know there is more to that. There's more to who she is. More to what the eyes can see.
Ifediche.
When she walks on the road, I can see shadows following her. More like they are guiding her. When she sleeps, she smiles.
Yeah.
When she's alone, she speaks to herself.
Ifediche, you are my friend, and I will not hold the truth from you. I think history is about to repeat itself.
Mbano. Ujumbano. My parents settled them before their death. You know this.
Uju, what if she's an Obanje?
Ikukwana Uju. Mba. Kainene is not an Obanje.
You cannot be entirely sure.
Uju, you know that my parents settled them before their death.
Mani Jugese, you cannot just sit and decide that she's not an Obanje when everything she does directs that, points to that direction.
Mekuna. No. How can?
You want to kill what you did not create.
Hey, Shimo!
Meme, memeja, 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 meme, memeja.
Kainene, am I too small that you did not see me?
When your tongue cuts like a blade. Do you remember how you insulted my mother at the stream?
Your mother gave birth to a curse.
Then choke on your own poison.
We must fight. Cause or no cause. No child will rule over us.
But how? She bends the spirit to her will.
We will strike her heart through her parents. They are still mortal.
Please, spare my life, please. Don't kill. Yes. Please spare our lives. Please.
Then let your heart be turned first.
Ivaniche!
Ogim!
I cannot find the money I kept from Mama. No. Who took it?
Money. Are you sure you checked?
I am sure of it, Ivaniche.
I didn't take any money. But who might have taken the...
Kainene. Hey!
Our land. What have we done
She
wrong?
now steals?
What have we done wrong? What have we done to deserve this torture? What?
Oh, Ajani! Mother Earth! And the spirits of my ancestors! Hear a mother's cry. For a child born of your soil has become so bitter like kola nut. Save us from this pending doom. Heal my child. For she carries a burden that is more than a child.
By the gods of old, by the spirits of the land, grant us respite from this curse.
Go inside. I shall come to you.
All right.
Why do you keep following me around? Have I not paid what is required of me? Leave me alone!
The generation of Obanje does not die. Ifedishe, Ifedishe, Ifedishe. You will not call my name.
My parents made sure they gave you everything that you needed before their death. Why are you tormenting me? What is it?
The sacrifice of Obanje has nothing to do with you. Ifedishe. You betrayed us when you tried to break the bond that binds us together. You chose men over your own sisters.
Menumana, you are part of us. No! No, no, no!
But I told you that history is about to repeat itself. This is a reflection of who you were.
Uju, this is not the right time to say this. Do you know what I have been through all these years?
Anyway.
They appeared to me. And they said that the history of Obanje never dies.
Chelu?
That no matter where I go, they would always be with me.
Chelu, does your husband know?
No, I didn't tell him.
But you said they came when you were doing your prayers.
Uju, my husband does not have the ability to see them. I am the one who has link with them, not him. I am so scared. I do not want to lose my marriage. I lost my parents because of this same cause.
Ifediche, your marriage shouldn't be your concern. Your life should. You know this your Obanje people, they are very wicked.
I'm so scared.
What I would just advise you, keep it to yourself. Keep it a secret. I'm getting too involved and you know I don't have power. Let me go and cook for my husband, only. We'll see later.
Kainene, please spare me. I will bring offerings. Chant your praises.
Your prayers are whispers lost in a storm. You speak of offerings, yet your hand spills the blood of my spirit. You will dance to the edge of my agony until the last breath leaves your body.
Great energy. The mighty seer. The darkness grows. My daughter, she is no child, but abomination. Please, Great Ayashi, tell me, how can I end this torment?
Eshe. The spirit of the cursed child, the blood of our ancestors, the wrath of Annie. I bind thee, I call thee, to come and break the chain. She walk in between the life and death. The child is a shadow of our land. Avenger of rain. Obiago. Tomorrow I shall come to your house.
Thank you. Thank you, Great Ayachi. Your words are the last hope to my soul. Thank you very much.
There is light. There is light in this darkness.
He promises to liberate our daughter from the shadow that binds her.
You mean the gods have finally heard our cries?
Yes.
And the chains that bind our daughter will be broken?
Exactly.
Obiago, after all this pain and sorrow, is there truly hope?
The seer's words were with fury, yet they carry a promise.
A promise?
Yes. The gods have not forgotten us. Tomorrow we shall stand firm. At last, our daughter shall be liberated. Her torment shall end.
And we shall thank Ajani. We shall thank Amadioha. We shall thank all the gods of our land and our ancestors for this flicker of mercy. We shall prepare. Tomorrow, we fight but not alone.
Together, we endure for Kainene, for our people. May this dawn breathe freedom.
You see,
Death, take not the living. Death, take not the living, but those who stand in the firm of the Spirit. The serpent head shall be crushed, yet the serpent does not perish in chaos.
Cursed upon you, Anyachi, the one who claims to speak for spirits. A blind seer shall not walk my path. Guide your life with wisdom. But if you dare meddle in my affairs, dare to follow you to your door.
Darkness cannot snuff out the flame. Kainene, child of sorrow, do not think the spirit will seize you. I am not the one to fear. You are the pain in this world, but those who defy the order shall perish. You will shelter like a stone, so that the evil will not be spread among others.
You are but a child, Anyachi. Thinking your power is enough, you will fail despite your courage. Know this, Anyachi. No one can command me.
I am not the one facing you. The ancestors came forth to bind you in the prison of time.
The ancestors will tremble at how I face you. I remain the unyielding beast.
Yo.
Child of shadow, rise from death. Let the blood not bind, but free. From pain to power, from death to down. Awaken, spirit, embrace the storm.
Kainene, child of darkness and wrath, your body falters, your spirit endures. We come not as foe, but as shield and sword. The battle you carry alone, we shall fight with you.
By the water of life, by the strength of the earth, we call forth the healing wind to bind and heal your wound. Rise! Rise! Let your enemies tremble. Together, we shall face the coming storm.
The battle is mine, but not alone.
Uju, my sister, the night has been long and dark, but today, a flame has kindled in the shadows. Anyachi the seer has vowed to come tomorrow to break chains that binds my daughter's soul. But I told you, the gods have heard our cries. At last, the whisper of the dawn has touched our weary hearts. We shall praise Annie and all the spirits for this light that breaks through despair. We must prepare, Uju, for the battle is near, but with the ancestor strength. We may yet see peace return to our home. Together we stand, bound by hope. Together we stand, bound by hope, faith, and unyielding courage. The gods will guide our path. He say,
Ogummo, Ikonyemmo,
Ndị mmụọ, anyị kwụ n'ihu. Ọchịchịrị agaghị adịrị anyị.
Kainene, daughter of the storm, daughter of the shadow and storm, we fortify your spirits with the strength of the ancients.
Tomorrow, you shall journey with your spirit guide. Ayashi must be stopped. Let no man meddle in the realm of your power.
Victory is ours. No foes shall stand. The spirit leads. The battle is won. Darkness will not hold us down. With fire and blood, we shall rise as one.
Where is Kainene? She should not be left alone.
She rests in the hut, deep asleep. Her spirit must be troubled.
This hope, Anyanchi is coming. It feels like a fragile thread. Will the gods truly deliver us from this darkness?
We must believe, Nduka. For faith is the strength that holds us now. The spirits have not forsaken our prayers.
Tomorrow is the turning of the tide. Today we stand ready, watchful and united, for the sake of our daughter and for the peace of our people.
Amomaye! Spirit of light, Spirit of truth, guide and protect me through the dark. Let no shadow walk by me. Let the Spirit of power and Spirit of truth walk by my side. Are you not tired, Kainene? Are you not tired of daring the gods?
Your gods? Even the gods knew when I command. They whisper in fear when I rise.
Pride! Pride! Pride walk before the fall, Kainene. You are sparking wind. I am the mouth of the earth. I am the eyes of the truth.
You speak too much for a man who is about to die. You will learn today that not every seer is untouchable.
You tried an old tree, Kainene. Even before your generation, I was.
Ike anyị dị nsọ, sacred is our power. Ọnwụ ga-abịa n'ihi na onye na-emegide anyị. Death shall come to he who stands against us. Aya, 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 kwala. 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 Aya, 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 kwala.
The gods are silence, and silence belongs to me.
Ayachi is nowhere in sight. Why is the seer not here? Why the silence?
It's unlike him. He gave his words. Unless something terrible must have happened to him.
No. He's the man of the gods. He cannot be touched. He carries the mark of the ancestors.
Why is the weather this cold?
Still waiting? Still hoping your old conjurer will crawl out of the dust?
You should be resting, child.
Rest is for the weak, and I am not the weak.
Anachi, what is it? Anachi is dead. What? He lies lifeless. Huh? The seer has fallen.
Mba! No, that cannot be. The gods will not let that happen.
Anachi.
Hey!
Just calm yourselves. Calm yourself. There must be another way.
You dare trust in a powerless man? Your seer is but dust now, and so shall your prayers be.
Enough. Kainene, enough of your wicked games. This is not victory. This is doom.
Doom is truth, Father. The gods have spoken through silence, and I am their voice.
Oma, let us go.
Look up.
Oju! Your food is ready.
Thank you. What? What sorcery is this? The food. The plate. All gone. Obin! Ivaniche! The food. I can't find it.
What do you mean, dear? I
can't find them. I just wanted to wash my hand and I turned, I didn't see. I didn't even see any of the plates.
What has happened here?
What is going on? What is going on?
What is happening here? This is no ordinary curse. The spirit has marked us.
Nduka, give me. Hey, these spirits torment us all the time. Ogini, gods of our land, please come to my rescue. Stop beating him now, If you stop fighting, they will stop flogging you. The Kainene gods of our land. What is this?
How did this happen? Who could strike a man so cruelly, yet leave no trace?
It was the spirit of Yago. Nduka was inside the hut when suddenly the flogging came. It was invincible, fierce and relentless. He screamed and he begged for mercy. But the pain did not cease. This is beyond all of us. This darkness is beyond any human.
Then we must find strength beyond man, before all that we love will be destroyed.
Ndo.
No. No.
Onye sikwa dịrị anyị na mma, ọ dịrị ya na mma. Onye so ga dịrị anyị na mma, ya were ana zere mmiri. Maka na onye kpara nkụ ahụhụ si ngwere bịara ya ụgwọ. Ise. Uju, your heart is broken, but the spirits have heard your tears.
Ngala, my husband is broken.
Do not be afraid, for the wind may shake the trees, but can never uproot it. By the power that flows through the sacred rivers, the evil shall never enter again. He say, go, for your home is wrapped in light, and she that brings darkness will be seen in truth. Your home is blessed. Go home. At the entrance of my house, you will see Ogirishi by your left. Plug it and go home with it. Go! For your home is blessed.
Mobima.
Uju.
You are weak. Thank the gods. How do you feel?
I felt some coolness, like fresh rain on dry earth. The pain is gone.
Ngala said so. She asked me to use these leaves on you. And you will be okay. She said that the evil spirits will not enter our home again.
Thank you.
Robin.
Thank you. My wife, you have carried pain like a calabash filled with fire. Let me carry some for you.
She used to be the joy in this home. Remember when she ran to you sometime with clay in her hair, laughing as you swung her up in the sky? Remember?
I remember. Her laughs, like a river water hitting the stone.
Where did we go wrong? Is this a cause for love? How can we bet a daughter that drinks our peace like palm wine?
No, my love. It is not your fault. You are a good mother. And I know the God sees your heart. The storm may dance for the night, but I know it will not dance forever.
Let it come before I lose myself completely. Let it come.
It's okay. Stop crying. Please. It's okay. Stop crying. Come.
I no longer have peace of mind. I can't sleep at night.
It's okay. Let's go inside. Stop
I
crying.
have
Stop.
this fear. I cannot sleep in my own home.
You have carried this burden for so long, Ifedich.
How can I not, Uju? When the child from my womb has become a stranger, how can I not? When I sleep and wake in fear.
Yesterday, when I passed this road, I left in tears. But when I returned with my husband, sound.
Truly.
Ngala does not play with words. She's the one that speaks and the spirit listens. She is the one that heals a wound and it dries up.
Will she see me? Will she see this darkness that holds my child?
She will see you. She will. And I promise you that you will come back happy like me.
Uju told me she went to Ngala.
Huh?
A woman who sees beyond the ordinary. She said she healed her husband and now he can walk and free of torment.
Ngala. That name carries weight. But can she touch what others even fear to name?
We must try. She said Ngala spoke to spirits and they were silenced. She heard us.
Then we must stop to talk. We must see Ngala tomorrow at dawn. Huh?
So you cannot bow when I pass.
How do you expect me to bow down to you? A small child like you. Is that what your parents taught you?
Dance, old bone. Let the spirit teach you how to crawl.
What is it? Why are you disturbing my life? Yeah? Am I the only one in this village? Next time you see me, you go this way, I go this way. Eh? I can't go. More you be. Stop disturbing me. Next time you block my way, you will not like what I'll do to you. Okay, so go, Joe.
So you have not learned.
Mom.
You pass our deity without greeting. Let silence teach you manners and dance the dance of Obanji.
The voice of the witches is the voice of the people. Kainene, you are beginning to be wicked to the people. And you can't be good and at the same time be bad.
Leave my way, for your flesh will be fed by the spirits of unknown.
If you don't change, if you refuse to change, I will report you to the elders. And you must be summoned for a meeting.
You shall not live to witness that your summon.
Meme, memeja, 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 meme, meme, memeja, 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 meme.
Now you will see no evil and speak none.
She has become a storm, unseen, unchallenged.
She is not a child. She is a corpse walking on 2 feet.
Yes.
You speak of me while your tongue still works. Perhaps I should silence them.
Kainene, onye nchekwa nke ụtụtụ n'abalị. Anyị nọnyere gị oge niile.
Kainene, the protector of the day and night, we are always with you.
Victory in darkness.
Fear shall be law.
All who stand shall fall. Meme, memeja, 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 meme,
Mmemeja, mmemme, 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 mmemeja.
Diego, please, what happened to her?
I woke up before the first cock crow. I met her like this, lying lifeless like a calabash thrown into the dust.
My sister, what has been happening in this village? It's so scary.
It remains small. Let me run and leave this village. Did
you hear?
What?
Ifedishi.
What about
she
Ifedishi?
Cannot move her fingers.
Ifedishi? Hell! A woman with a kind heart, struck down by wind no one knows. Hi!
My sister.
I feel for her.
I'm afraid though.
I said, Muabuafoma, very soon I will run and leave this village.
Run, daughter of dust. The fear of me is the beginning of wisdom. You are lucky. My belly is not hungry for blood today.
Obiago, you cannot wait for more tears. You need to go and see Ngala. Else your compound will become graveyard.
I will go at sunlight. I cannot continue seeing her like this. What is going on? Why is my feet failing me? First time I came out from here, I went back and... What is going on? Why do I keep coming out at the same junction? What is going on? Why here? No, something is not right.
They still seek help. When help died with Anyachi.
Let darkness reign and light be blind. Let confusion be the gift of the gods.
I will teach them pain that speaks louder than death. I will teach them pain that speaks louder than death.
Gods of our land, are you just watching while our child feasts on our blood?
What a night, filled with trouble and unseen pain. The whispers of birds sound like sounds of victory. Who will receive the joyful blessing?
Kainene, what are you doing here alone talking to yourself at this ungodly hour?
Why will you be of known, Father? Count me out, because tonight we have no meeting. When you survive this night, you will not survive the day. Look at the mighty parents of Kainene, lying like wounded snails. Mother, you remember the day you wept over your dead parents? The day the air was too heavy, the night too long. I killed them. Yes, it was I, your own daughter. I killed them still in your womb. Let all ears hear me. From this day forth, I, Kainene, am the god of this land.
Kainene, daughter of the darkness, voice of the thunder, please take this gift and leave our blood.
He now kneel. He now bow before me. But he once doubted. Keep kneeling, or be crushed like dry bones.
Great mother of the land, please save Ifediche and Obiago from that evil child of the night, so they are not destroyed. Biko.
Yana Metelo! Obulu. Take this egg. Break it at the center of their compound in the middle of the night. Then leave. Do not look back. For the gods shall answer by fire. God shall answer by fire.
Thank you, Ngala.
Obiago, my legs! I can feel my legs! I can feel my legs! I can feel my legs! Obiago, I can feel my legs!
My boss!
I can feel my legs!
My boss! My boss, the place I got! The place I got! The place I got!
I can feel my legs! My legs! I can feel my legs!
We are free! We are free!
Can you chase me? Can you chase me?
No, now I can run! We are free! God, Samala! Thank you! We are free at last! We are free at last!
Nduka, Uju, thank you. Thank you very much. May the gods bless you too. You did not abandon us. Uju, please tell us, what did you do?
You must go to Ngala now. Before Kainene strikes again, she will not stop until she owns this land. You call Walalia? You didn't tell him?
Who freed my captives? Who dares challenge me? Ngala! You should have asked questions before dancing in a storm. Why? What is this?
Nne, what really happened? Why did she torture us?
Many months ago, when Ifediche's parents dug her Iowa, with the help of Anyachi, the great seer, you were sent to keep her Iowa by the river bank. Little did they know that her Iowa was supposed to be kept by her father's compound and not the river bank, because she is from the Obanjowa and not Obanjemiri. This wrong act scattered the order of the spirit world, and Ifediche's parents died. When Anyachi discovered that the ritual was not duly performed, he tried to reach out to you, and he was killed. His deed, though noble, scattered the realms. Veil torn, some escaped. Hundreds like Kainene were sent back not as children, but as vengeance, cloaked in innocence.
Why can't I free myself? Why is nothing working? Why?
She is not your daughter. The child never formed in your womb. A vengeance spirit wearing your child's skin. They used your pain as a door. Now she wants more than retribution. She wants dominion.
Unabia o eze ogu nabia o eze ogu nabia o eze ogu nabia o eze Ogu na-abịa o eze.
Ọgụ dị n'aka mmiri.
Ube dị n'ike anyanwụ. Let the earth hear our voice. Let the heavens prepare for battle.
You deviated from the path. You tasted pleasure and forgot your pain. You turned your vengeance into pride. And in your pride, you brought shame to our realm.
I am sorry, great ones. We were abandoned, buried in fire. They laughed while we were burned. I just wanted them to suffer the way we suffered.
We are sorry. We forgot. Forgive us.
Forgive you? Pain has purpose. Vengeance has boundaries. You have called down judgments.
It is time.
The kingdom has turned to chaos. They range in vengeance. But who can fight the gods? Nsanwu gbochie ha. Ike mmụọ ka m na-enye gị. Ị ga-eje ije gị n'okpuru nchanwụ.
Ndị mmiri, ndị mmiri, ndị mmiri, ndị mmiri,
ndị mmiri asaa, ndị mmiri asaa, ndị mmiri asaa.
Will no fear. But those chosen will not fall.
Kainene, what have you done?
Ngala, old woman of false hope. How dare you walk my path with these two feeble mortals?
Child of vengeance, twisted in wrath. You walk not your path, but the age of ruin.
I was born in ruin, molded in sorrow. This land was new before me.
You meddle with pain and forgot the purpose. Even pain answer to balance.
A child who has nothing on her head has nothing to break. it is done, the balance is restored. The spirit of vengeance has gone back to the deep. Water of the earth, cleanse this ground from death and fear. Fire of the sky, burn every root of darkness from this land. The wind of the ancestors, blow away every echo of sorrow. Let every evil that crept in, let every footsteps of evil be washed away. You shall never return. From the belly of this land, let peace reign again. Yes. Peace has returned. But you should always guide it with wisdom. The peace of our ancestors reign in your home.
You see.
Olimili kwasi ekubalo mbuliba na nwammo na agba egwu osebulu wanulunu na nwammo na-ebi olimili kubalo n'egwu ife dị iche olimiri kubalo na m ga-agba ọkwa nwa m ọgbalụ ngada bụrụ chi efi ife dị iche ọka nwanyị ibe ya mmanwụ nnukwu na-enye nsogbu isi na-egbu ogene ekelekwa m mmụọ na-agalụ ozi ekene gị na-ekekene gị n'ọrụ ekene gị n'afọ na nkwọ ọjị dị m n'aka kọkwana ndị dịbe ga-akọkwana chaa nwanyị ka dị mkpiri ube na Amadioha na nwunye ya si na ntị etiri ofe ya ọ ga-adịlụ gị na mma n'ike ọ ga-adịlụ gị mma n'oyi ọ ga-adịlụ gị mma na nkwọ ọ ga-adịlụ gị mma n'afọ alụsị na-ejelu m ozi kwọ mfụcha na ụja atụ na gị ejepụ m ije ngala maka na ndụ na-akụrụ m ego bụ ịgba ndị mmụọ nwa akwụkwọ na-azụ amaghị n'ije dị anya ihe somu karịrị ihe so ha orimiri kụba ụbalụ n'ịgba gị olimiri kụbasịanụ